Okay, so this is the simulation you're going to make use of in this skills test about projectile motion. And I encourage you in the very beginning to just kind of play around with the various controls. You can change the height, you can change the angle at which you're launching, you can change the object that you're launching. There's a whole bunch of different choices. And when you make a different choice, of course, it gives you the different mass and diameter of the object. Air resistance, we're really not going to be messing with. So typically you're going to leave that unchecked. Notice that there's also options for velocity vectors. You can add velocity vectors to your object's motion. You are encouraged to, instead of using the total vector, use the components. So you can add velocity vectors. You can also add acceleration vectors. And typically you'll want to do those, kind of add those separately, but that's in the other instructions. Notice that every time you shoot your object, there's a track that is created. You can erase those tracks by hitting the eraser button right next to the fire button. Notice also that there is a way of changing the speed at which your object animates. And you can also pause the motion and step through if you prefer that. So anyway, it's a fun simulation. Play around with it, get used to it, and then watch the other videos for more specific instructions for each question.